Are you tired of wondering where your money disappears to every month? Imagine finally having control over your finances and saving for the things that truly matter. Stick around because I'm about to share the simplest budget hack you'll ever need. The 50/30/20 rule. Trust me, this could change your life. The 50/30/20 method isn't just another boring budgeting tip. It's a proven formula to help you spend smarter, save better, and live with less stress about money. Whether you're saving for your first apartment, a dream vacation, or just trying to break out of living paycheck to paycheck, this is for you. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, things you have to pay for like rent, groceries, and transportation. 30% is for wants, fun stuff like eating out, Netflix, or those sneakers you've been eyeing. 20% is for savings. This includes building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing for your future. It's that simple. Split your income into these 3 buckets, and you've got yourself a solid financial plan. The 50/30/20 rule works because it's balanced. You're not depriving yourself of the fun stuff, but you're also prioritizing your future. Plus, it's flexible enough to adapt to your lifestyle. Earn more, save more. Struggling? Focus on your needs first. The beauty is, you're in control. Getting started is easy. Here's what you do. First, calculate your income. After taxes, how much do you actually take home? Next, split it into percentages. Multiply by 50% for needs. Multiply by 30% for wants. Multiply by 20% for savings. Then, track your expenses. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet. Write it all down so you know where your money is going. Let's break this down with an example. If you make $2,000 a month after taxes, $1,000 is for needs, $600 is for wants, $400 goes into savings. Set clear financial goals to stay motivated. Adjust your budget as needed to stay on track. Regularly review your expenses to ensure you're meeting your goals. Celebrate your financial milestones to stay encouraged. But let's be real, it's not always smooth sailing. What if your needs take up more than 50%? No worries. Adjust your wants or savings temporarily. Or what if saving 20% feels impossible? Start with 5% or 10% and work your way up. The key is to start somewhere and build the habit. Unexpected expenses? Create an emergency fund to cover those surprises. During financial hardships, reassess and adjust your budget to stay on track. Stay motivated by setting small, achievable goals and celebrating your progress. Remember, every step forward is progress. Keep going. Here's why sticking to this rule is worth it. You'll build financial security and peace of mind. No more panic when unexpected bills hit. You'll be prepared for anything. You can finally afford your dreams without guilt. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions. You'll stress less about money because you have a plan. Financial independence is within reach. Think of your future self 5 years from now, grateful, proud, and thanking you for taking this step today. Early retirement and financial freedom are possible. With the 50/30/20 rule, you can live a life free from financial stress and full of opportunities. So here's your challenge. Grab a notebook or open a budgeting app. Write down your income, divide it into 50/30/20, and start tracking every dollar. Don't wait for the perfect time. It's today. Your future self will thank you. Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest savings goal for the year? And don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips to crush your financial goals. Remember, financial freedom isn't just for others, it's for you. Start today with the 50/30/20 rule, and let's make those dreams a reality. Gap 2S. Let's dive into some advanced budgeting tips to help you maximize your savings and investments. We'll cover topics like zero-based budgeting, the envelope system, and how to automate your savings. These strategies can take your financial planning to the next level and ensure you're making the most of every dollar. First, zero-based budgeting. This method requires you to allocate every dollar of your income to specific expenses, savings, or debt repayment, leaving nothing unaccounted for. By doing this, you ensure that every dollar has a purpose. Next, the envelope system. This is a cash-based budgeting method where you place cash into envelopes designated for specific expense categories. Once the envelope is empty, you can't spend any more in that category until the next budget cycle. This can help you control spending and stay within your budget. Lastly, automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. By automating this process, you ensure that you consistently save without having to think about it. Implementing these advanced budgeting strategies can help you take control of your finances and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Start incorporating them into your budgeting routine today and watch your savings and investments grow. Gap2S. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make mistakes when budgeting. In this chapter, we'll discuss common pitfalls like underestimating expenses, not accounting for irregular costs, and the dangers of lifestyle inflation. By being aware of these mistakes, you can avoid them and stay on track with your financial goals. Let's start with underestimating expenses. It's crucial to be realistic about your spending. Review your past spending habits and make sure to include every little expense from daily coffee runs to monthly subscriptions. Small costs can add up quickly, and underestimating them can throw off your entire budget. Next up, not accounting for irregular costs. Expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or annual subscriptions can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. Create a separate savings fund for these irregular costs and contribute to it regularly. This way, you'll be ready for any unexpected expenses without derailing your budget. Lastly, let's talk about lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's tempting to upgrade your lifestyle with more expensive items and experiences. However, this can quickly eat into your savings and delay your financial goals. Instead, try to maintain your current lifestyle and allocate any additional income towards savings or investments. By being mindful of these common pitfalls, you can create a more effective and sustainable budget. Stay vigilant, adjust as needed, and keep your financial goals in sight. Remember, successful budgeting is a continuous process of learning and adapting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. Sometimes, the best motivation comes from hearing about others' successes. In this chapter, we'll share real-life stories of people who have transformed their finances using the 50/30/20 rule. These inspiring stories will show you that financial freedom is achievable and provide practical tips you can apply to your own life. Let's start with Sarah, a single mother of two who was drowning in debt. By adopting the 50/30/20 rule, she managed to pay off her credit cards and build a safety net for her family. Her secret? Consistently tracking her expenses and making small sacrifices, like cooking at home instead of eating out. Next, we have Raj, a recent college graduate who wanted to start investing but didn't know where to begin. By following the 50/30/20 rule, Raj was able to allocate 20% of his income towards investments. Today, he's on track to achieve his goal of financial independence by the age of 40. Finally, meet Emily and Jake, a young couple who used the 50/30/20 rule to save for their dream home. By sticking to their budget and prioritizing their savings, they were able to make a substantial down payment and move into their new home within 3 years. These stories highlight the power of the 50/30/20 rule and show that with discipline and dedication, you too can achieve your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is not just about numbers. It's about creating a roadmap to your financial dreams. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and strategies. To make budgeting easier, there are many tools and resources available. In this chapter, we'll explore some of the best budgeting apps, websites, and books that can help you stay on track. We'll also provide tips on how to choose the right tools for your needs and how to use them effectively. First, let's talk about budgeting apps. Apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Pocket Guard are great for tracking your spending and setting financial goals. Mint is free and links directly to your bank accounts, providing a comprehensive overview of your finances. YNAB focuses on proactive budgeting, helping you allocate every dollar to a specific category. Pocket Guard simplifies budgeting by showing you how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills and necessities. Next, there are websites like NerdWallet and The Balance that offer a wealth of information on personal finance. These sites provide articles, calculators, and tools to help you manage your money more effectively. They also offer reviews of financial products, making it easier to choose the right credit card, loan, or investment option. Books can also be an invaluable resource for learning about budgeting and personal finance. Titles like The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez, and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki provide timeless advice on managing money and building wealth. When choosing the right tools for your needs, consider factors like ease of use, cost, and the specific features you require. For example, if you prefer a hands-on approach to budgeting, YNAB might be the best fit. On the other hand, if you want a more automated solution, Mint could be ideal. Finally, remember that the most effective tools are the ones you actually use. Consistency is key to successful budgeting, so make a habit of regularly updating your budget and reviewing your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on achieving financial success. Welcome to our Quanda session on the 50-30-20 rule. In this segment, we'll address some common questions and concerns to help you feel more confident in your budgeting journey. Let's dive right in. Question 1. How do I handle irregular income with the 50-30-20 rule? If your income fluctuates, it's essential to base your budget on your average monthly income. Track your earnings over several months to determine an average, and use that figure to allocate your 50%, 30%, and 20%. During higher income months, prioritize saving and paying down debt to cover lower income periods. Question 2. What should I do if I have debt? Dealing with debt can be challenging, but the 50-30-20 rule can still be effective. Allocate 20% of your income to savings and debt repayment. Prioritize high-interest debt first, as this will save you more money in the long run. If your debt is substantial, consider adjusting your percentages temporarily to allocate more towards debt repayment. Question 3. How can I adjust the rule for different life stages? Your financial needs will change throughout your life. For example, young professionals might focus more on savings and investing, while retirees might prioritize healthcare and leisure. Adjust the 50-30-20 rule to fit your current priorities. The key is to remain flexible and regularly review your budget to ensure it aligns with your goals. Question 4. Can I still use the 50-30-20 rule if I have financial goals that don't fit neatly into these categories? Absolutely. The 50-30-20 rule is a guideline, not a strict rule. You can tweak it to fit your unique financial goals. For instance, if you're saving for a home, you might allocate more towards savings temporarily. The important thing is to maintain a balanced approach to your finances. Thank you for your questions. We hope this Quanda session has provided clarity and boosted your confidence in using the 50-30-20 rule. Remember, budgeting is a personal journey, and finding what works best for you is key. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more tips and strategies for financial success. As we wrap up, remember that budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It's okay to make adjustments along the way and find what works best for you. Stay committed, stay motivated, and keep your financial goals in sight. You've got this. The path to financial freedom is paved with small, consistent steps. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and learn from any setbacks. Every decision you make brings you closer to a more secure and fulfilling financial future. So take a deep breath, trust in your ability to manage your finances, and embark on this journey with confidence. We're here to support you every step of the way. Together, we can achieve financial success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies to help you on your financial journey. Until next time, keep striving for your goals and take control of your financial destiny.